When shopping for utility tractors over 70 horsepower, customers in the US have come to expect that they'll be spending a whole lot of cash, both on the tractor up front and on service and repair down the road. However, the Zetor Major tractors are different from most utility tractors. Not only will you save thousands on the tractor itself, but the Major series has also been designed to make service and repair easier and less expensive. Plus, these tractors pack in class-leading power and a whole lot of standard features. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Zetor Major M88-SSC to help you decide if this tractor is right for you. To support this channel, like, subscribe, comment, and visit tractorbob.com. Now let's dive in. Zetor was founded back in 1945, and since the beginning has been in the business of creating reliable, low-cost tractors, starting with the Z series. Zetor has a rich history in the tractor space, playing a vital role in pushing the industry forward with innovative designs.
There are three tough new tractor models from Zetor. The sturdy 6911, 70 horsepower, built for the most demanding jobs around the farm. The economical 5911, 60 horsepower, a versatile all-rounder made to last longer. And the highly reliable 4911, 50 horsepower, fast becoming one of Ireland's biggest selling tractors. The new advanced tractors from Zetor, even better than ever before.
In 1983, Zetor entered the United States market. In 2013, the Major series was introduced as a new way to provide commercial performance in a compact package. In 2018, the Major series took on a new look, with even better performance, and Zetor has continued to make improvements on this versatile tractor ever since. If you want to learn more about the rich history of Zetor tractors, you can visit Zetor75.com. It's a great resource where Zetor breaks down major milestones in the brand's 75-year history. The M88-SSC is equipped with a 4-cylinder, water-cooled, turbocharged Deutz engine, meeting Stage 5 emission standards without the use of DEF. It comes equipped with a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system, ensuring low fuel consumption and low emissions. The engine is easy to start, even at very low temperatures and in extreme conditions. The Stage 5 emission standard is reached without the need for DEF by using exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, diesel oxidation catalyst, DOC, and a diesel particulate filter, DPF. The M88-SSC is equipped with a forward and reversed synchronized shuttle, 4-speed synchronized transmission, and 3 ranges. The total number of speeds is 12 forward and 12 reverse. The top speed is 19 miles per hour with a fuel capacity of 21 gallons and 4-wheel drive. Customers who own Major tractors end up bragging about how simple and reliable they are. The entire tractor, including the powertrain, has been designed to be easy and affordable to work on. This is interesting because it's often a feature that's overlooked by customers during the buying process. It's only after they've owned the tractor for several years that they start to realize the true value. Now that we've covered the powertrain, let's dive into the other aspects of the Zetor Major series. Starting in the back with a 3-point and PTO. All the M series tractors come standard with a selectable 2-speed 540 RPM and 1000 RPM independent PTO. All models come standard with heavy-duty telescopic stabilizers, a Cat 1 or Cat 2 extendable link ball ends, and HD swinging drawbar, complete with hammer strap and toe pin. You can also get optional 3-point hitch lift arms with hook ends, which is super handy for attaching rear implements. The Major series offers a mechanically regulated hydraulic system with continuous lowering sensitivity and speed control, including a function for transporting implements. The tractor is equipped with 2 rear remote sets with a 0 pressure return coupler. There are nicely integrated hand levers inside the cab for operating the rear hydraulics, and a 3rd rear remote valve is optional. The max 3-point lift capacity is an impressive 5,500 pounds. The total hydraulic flow is an impressive 20 gallons per minute, and electric hookups for trailers come standard. The loader that comes on this tractor is really great as well. The model is the ZM229 and is a loader that is engineered by Zetor for Zetor tractors. It's a quick disconnect loader, so taking it on and off is very simple. There's even optional multi-coupling that you can add, which will allow you to connect and disconnect all the hydraulic couplers at once. The video provided is not the actual system that goes on these loaders, it's just an example of what multi-coupling is. Self-leveling comes standard on the loader, which is a rare feature in this class. The ZM229 has a lift capacity of 4,290 pounds. You can choose the Euro or skid steer front attachment. The lift height under the front attachment is 119 inches, while the lift height at the pivot point is 136 inches. The rollback angle is 55 degrees, and the max dump angle is 34 degrees. The weight of the loader is about 1,400 pounds, and there's a 78-inch or 86-inch bucket to choose from. The final really great feature that comes on the loader is the standard front remotes with a button integrated into the joystick. This will allow you to run hydraulic front attachments right out of the box. We've already covered a lot of awesome features that come standard on the M88-SSC, like the front hydraulics, rear hydraulics, 2-speed PTO, and more. However, the features don't stop there. On both sides of the tractor, there are nicely integrated steps. The cab is designed with regard to practical use. There is plenty of space, rubber floor mats, and nicely integrated controls and switches. The narrow pillars help to provide great visibility inside the cab. The side windows open to allow for ventilation. The rear window opens all the way up. Front and rear wipers come standard as well. There's a nice canopy window that allows you to see your front attachments when at max lift height. The window in the roof pops up for ventilation as well. You even have a screen to block light coming in from the roof and a transparent screen located along the front glass. There are plenty of lights mounted around the cab. You have brake lights, hazard lights, turning signals, plus high and low beam headlights. The suspension seat is comfortable and fully adjustable. There's a heel-operated diff lock pedal, storage cubbies, and a buddy seat. The steering wheel does tilt. On the steering column, there's a throttle lever, forward and reverse lever, turning signals, light switches, a nice digital display, and AC controls. There are plenty of vents along the steering column and cab roof. Overall, the cab is very high quality, however, it doesn't feel overly luxurious. And there's not a lot of electronic controls or fancy touchscreens. Instead, the controls are more mechanical, making it much easier to maintain and work on. Now that we've covered the Zetor M88-SSC in depth, let's go over the price. Now the pricing will vary from dealer to dealer, so the prices I'm listing here will be what we're selling the tractor for at Tractor Bob's. I'll have a link down below where you can locate the nearest Zetor dealer to you. You can also give us a call at Tractor Bob's. Our number is in the description down below. We deliver across the entire United States. All right, the cash price for the M88-SSC at Tractor Bob's is only $58,999. And of course, that price includes the loader, cab, and the other standard features we've talked about. Now you can also get financing on this tractor as well, so give us a call if you're interested in seeing how low your monthly payments could be. When it comes to tractors in the 80 horsepower range, Zetor has proven to the world that it is able to produce a cost-effective tractor that can compete with any of the other top brands, from the Deutz turbocharged engine to all the great standard features. Thank you so much for your time. To support this channel, like, subscribe, comment, and visit tractorbob.com. See you in the next one.